Yo guys, quick video on Unreal Engine and how you can make money as a music producer online by selling your music assets on the Unreal Engine Assets Store. So it's really easy guys. However, if you are interested in learning how to do this and how to set it all up, then let me know and I will create a new video which explains the entire process of how to do it. So I have only been doing this actively since August, and we're going to have a jump over onto my seller page, which is going to give you an overview and a kind of an idea of how much you can make if you are consistent at this. You will see a greater return. I've only been creating on average an asset pack one a week, and here are the results. So guys, as you can see, we have a total of 44 sales, which has created me $633.56. And now this is since August right until today. And if we look, you know, there are large amounts of items which I've sold, which is absolutely great. And if you are interested in learning how to do this, then as I said earlier, just let me know guys, and I'll create a new video which explains the entire process. And I think this is going to be extremely helpful for anybody who is new into, creating money online, especially as a music producer. As when I was starting out, I didn't have a clue about any of this stuff at all. I hadn't heard about it. So I feel like, it'll be helpful to give this information out to people who maybe haven't heard about it either. And if you are enjoying the channel and my videos so far, hit subscribe guys, and I will be creating extra content, every week to help everybody out as music producers, and just speak about the things that which hopefully you haven't heard of, so I can help you along the way on your journey as a composer, as a music producer. So guys, that's it for this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Have a great day and enjoy your weekend.